Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Flow for beginners in 2026. If you're new to Google Flow and want to start creating AI-powered videos, this step-by-step guide will help you understand the basics from signing in to generating your first project. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Flow website. Sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can create and manage all of your projects. To begin, click the New Project button. Google Flow will open a new workspace where you can start creating your AI video. Depending on the current version of Google Flow, you'll be able to enter a text prompt describing the type of video you want to create. Write a clear and detailed prompt. The more specific your instructions are, the better the AI can understand what you want. You can describe the scene, camera movement, characters, lighting, style, and any other important details. If Google Flow allows you to upload reference images or other assets, add them to your project to help the AI generate more accurate results. Once everything is ready, review your settings and click the Generate button. Now wait while Google Flow processes your request. Video generation may take a few minutes, depending on the complexity of your prompt and current server activity. When the process is complete, preview your generated video directly in the project window. If you're happy with the result, save or download the video if the option is available. If not, you can edit your prompt, adjust the settings, and generate another version until you get the outcome you want. As you become more comfortable with Google Flow, experiment with different prompts, styles, and creative ideas. Practice is the best way to learn how to get higher quality AI-generated videos. And that's how to use Google Flow for beginners in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.